The first effects of the first system that's moving into the area are already starting to be noticed around. Now, you really don't see too much other than the clouds here on the satellite and radar. The satellite shows us the cloud cover, and the radar would typically show you precipitation, but what precipitation we have is very, very fine. So there's a mist outside, if not a fog, and we can sort of see where that's setting up with visibility. That tells us there's something in the air making visibilities a little lower. So 9 miles for Pittsburgh as you get into Wheeling, 5 miles. So between Pittsburgh and Wheeling, we are seeing some lower visibility. Same situation up into Butler, 8 miles of visibility there. So just know there are some patchy areas of fog and drizzle out there. And with our temperatures all below freezing, that could freeze on contact. So anything untreated could be slick, so keep that in mind for the back porch steps, for your car windshield. That might need to be scraped in the morning, and on any of those untreated roads or driveways. Could get a little slick there. That's the big issue we have going on right now. Now into tomorrow, we're going to add a little snow to this. This isn't going to be a lot. This is basically going to amount to a coating of snow through the day. And you can see it's just these broken up little snow showers that are going to set up and clear out of here by the time we get into Thursday morning. First round of snow really just gives us a coating, up to an inch, worst case scenario in some of the higher ridges. But overall, it's going to be just a little coating of snow. System number 2 of the 3 we've been talking about. This is Thursday into Friday. Now, this isn't going to be a giant snowmaker, probably 1 to 3 inches, but look at the timing of this. This comes into play at 3 p.m. and is going to be sticking around 4 and 5 p.m. for Thursday. That means this will be around for a commute time, and any amount of snow can slow things down. So start looking ahead towards Thursday for this one. There's going to be a little rain element down to the south of this, and that'll keep snow accumulation south of I-70 lower than what we're going to see in the city and, of course, up north and in the ridges. So 1 to 3 around Pittsburgh, points north, an inch or less south of I-70, and in the ridges, 2 to 4 inches not out of the question. System number 3, this is the one we don't know much about. It isn't on shore yet. It's coming into play into Saturday afternoon into early Sunday. So we have the timing of this system coming in, but we don't quite know exactly how it's going to come through just yet, and just a small shift can make a big difference between what we see. So less snow would happen if this cuts right through Pittsburgh. You can see the snow up to the north. More snow would happen if this cuts south of Pittsburgh, and if there's a miracle, which this is not likely, and it cuts north, it would take all the snow up and we'd just be sitting in the rain. So there are 3 possible scenarios with this system when it comes in. 26 areas of snow and freezing drizzle tonight. Temperatures will actually start to climb up after midnight. 36 for a high temperature with that spotty snow and drizzle there as well. And over the next several days, temperatures in the mid-30s for highs. Snow again Thursday into Friday. And again on Saturday, that snow and potentially some rain trying to mix in, with snow showers again on Sunday, with the coldest air yet this season moving in for Monday. Knowing that all this is on the table, that's a great time to get the KDKA weather app. You get the radar, you get video forecast, hourly forecast, daily forecast, and alert all on your smartphone. It's available in your App Store and Google Play Store.